you're not.
Yes, I am.
You wouldn't do that.
Yes, I would.
No, you wouldn't.
I'd let you walk.
Let me walk where?
Get gas, because you never put gas in the car.
I never put gas in the car.
When was the last time you put gas in the car?
Probably about a month ago. When was the last time we needed to put gas in the car?
I put gas in the car all the time.
You do not put gas in the car all the time. You're so full of it.
I do. What's all that crap all over the windshield?
Probably pollen.
You better not wash it off, huh? Try to wash it off.
Not right now, yeah, no. Hi, we're trying our new camera. Is it stabilizing? It's supposed to stabilize, so it's Monday, so we're headed to Ladysmith to go and volunteer at the Resources Center. We're do it every Monday for a couple of hours. Dave stands at the door and makes sure that everybody maintains social distancing, and I enter people's names in a computer, so it's not that challenging, but that's our weekly outing. Date night, as it were.
Date night.
Isn't that right, honey?
Yeah.
And so I thought I would bring this along because I got a new camera. And I figured I should use it because I got it for my YouTube channel. So, and it's supposed to stabilize itself, so it should be okay for riding in the car. And that's kind of why I'm testing it riding in the car, because I want to know if it really does stabilize itself. So I don't know, I should probably have it just sitting on the dashboard instead of holding it. I'll have to play with some different placements there before I put one of my mounts there. And then we'll see. And then when we're traveling, honey, we can just put it on and chat to the nice people. As you can see, Dave is just tickled with that idea. Out there in left field somewhere?
Yeah.
So I wanted you guys to see exactly how generous I am with my bounty from my garden. As you can see, Mom has a big smile because she got a pea.
I got a pea. I get this whole thing.
All to yourself. Eat it.
Eat it. Mmm, crunchy. Delicious. Lorrie germs all over it.
Lorrie finger germs.
Mm-hmm.
I spit on it too.
Oh no.
Eat it.
Very good.
Hello, my sweet honey. You love my new hat?
That's lovely.
It's lovely, is it?
You can't sit there. We got an ant problem.
Oh, jeez. I guess we need to get some ant killer then.
They're all over here.
Yeah.
All over in there.
Ugh. I put one of those ant traps down there, didn't I? Oh, I thought I put one by that rose bush.
I don't see one.
Hmm. Oh, you already trimmed back a bunch of that?
No.
Oh. Okay.
I was just getting ready to because it's all in the way.
Yeah.
I can't paint the other side at all.
I know. I was just going to come out and help you. I was just going to go get a tarp to throw all the
Well, I thought maybe you were
branches
going mining.
You did you?
Yeah. Yeah, one problem, you need a hard hat.
This isn't hard enough?
No.
No.
The regulations, they'll get you on.
They'll get me on that, will they? Okay, so let's go see how big this garlic is. Because, as you can see, it is definitely dying back. So let me get a couple of these guys out of the way. And I might need to go and get a little shovel, but let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a shovel.
Oh, you've got a shovel that matches your shirt. Oh my.
How cute am I?
Your socks.
And my socks.
Yeah, and
Well,
your gloves.
And my gloves. Everything's purple.
They're matching.
Are you gonna come and help me pull this garlic out?
No,
Why?
I don't like garlic.
What do you mean you don't like garlic?
Very much. I like a little garlic.
Okay, how far down do I have to
Get it out of there.
dig to... Ugh,
Must have a lot of roots.
get under there? Oh, here we come. Come on, baby. Ooh. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Looky, looky.
Wow.
All right.
Roast that? You gonna roast one of them?
I could.
Have you ever?
Have I ever?
Yeah.
I have. And used it for, I don't remember what I used it for, some kind of a dip or something. Ah, come on, baby. Oof. Oh. Oh, worm. In the roots, get off, go back into the dirt. I love it. All right, there we go. There's number 6. Yeah, it could hang right there. Yeah. Yeah, or like I said, where his bike is.
Those chairs could even stack up on the front porch because that's where they're going to be used.
That is where they're going to be used and where they're going to live, so. Look at that beautiful garlic. For now, I'm just going to leave them right there because I'm not entirely sure what to do with them, but I know you need to leave them out to air dry for several days.
You already have paint all over the pockets.
This actually got caught by some wind the other day just after I had painted this, and it went flying off and landed right in it.
I should know, whatever you paint, it's going to get on.
I know, paint, everything I own has paint. It's just the way it is. Well, I'll use my selfie stick too.
You're the funniest.
I'm the funniest, whatever. Because I laugh the most. Because you're the funniest.
Why am I the funniest? I don't laugh at all.
That's what makes you so funny.
That makes no sense, does it?
The madder you are, the funnier I find it.
No, isn't that reassuring?
Until he gets really mad.
Until things start flying.
He
Then
doesn't,
she runs.
Then I leave.
You throw things?
Oh, all the time.
Do you?
He has little temper tantrums.
I've never seen
No.
you throw things.
She was out here one time and I did something, I don't know, I cut a board wrong or did something and it was just a stupid mistake and I got mad. I picked the board up, threw it off the deck and said, "You son of a..." She came out just in that time. She turned around. Oh, I'm going back in. Like chicken.
I am not going to interrupt you right now. Well, then there was the time when I came out and you were tearing apart that water stand.
Yeah.
And you couldn't get the damn thing apart.
Oh.
You finally ripped that board off and tossed it aside.
Yeah, that's because of those Canadian screws.
Those Canadian screws.
You know.
So you don't have a box head thing that fits into the screws properly.
Box head.
I don't know, the screwdriver head thing. That's a box, a square head?
The bit.
You mean the square head?
The square head bit.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
You have one that fits in there?
Yeah.
So then what's the problem? It's
I
the
just
bit.
told you.
I wasn't listening.
What? You know, you're glad she don't fly.
The L&D show is on.
Can you imagine her as the pilot?
Well, like I said, as soon as you started talking tools, I just kind of zoned out. So I wasn't listening at all the first time you said it. So
then you come back with a question and answer period. What kind of crap is that? I got questions for you. Well, okay. It's a totally different thing. It's like, well, we weren't even talking about. Well, oh, I just zoned out.
I was thinking of the next topic.
What
Oh,
is the next
jeez.
topic?
Is it in individual pieces? Maybe I'll just fry it. Maybe I'll try my air
What
fryer.
do you do? Cut them together? They're in individual pieces, but I want you to cut them up. What?
Well, I was going to have you cut them up into slices and do like a stir fry thing.
Oh.
But I don't know if I want to work that hard.
I like the idea.
So I think maybe I'll just...
That's your side of the family. And I know where she gets it.
Oh, no, she likes to cook. I don't.
She don't like to cook.
She does like to cook. She experiments with cooking.
That's the only thing
We
she
have to
likes
eat
doing.
She takes after her grandma.
All right, so we're going to come in here and I'm just going to start trimming these back a little bit. And you can see I've got these ucky mushrooms that have come up in here, inky caps, I believe they are called, but I'm told that they indicate you have good soil health. So that was an earwig. Looks like it might be time to dust again. Buggers, I hate them. Now, I'm hoping that there are some potatoes under here. But I'm going to get this greenery out of the way first. Oh, my poor little flowers. Oh, my goodness gracious. Anyway. Okie dokie. So here I am with some of my potatoes chopped up into cubes and my onion. I'm going to dice just as 3 of them. Oh, that one's still got the outer skin on it. The skin is really fine still at this point. They have to dry. I do have some drying, and tomorrow when I'm out in the garden, I'll show you how to tell. I'm sure there'll be more. I'll tell you how to tell when for sure they're ready to pick. Like those are the ones that I spooned. Some of them are doing really good, and others have, they stopped growing and everything died off. Everything is cut and the pan is heated. I'm going to throw everything in. Well, all the potatoes anyway. I might hold the onions back for a few minutes. It's a really big one. Okay. I'm just going to let those sizzle for a while. I'm actually going to put a lid on them. Oh, I want to sprinkle with some salt and pepper. And then I'll give them a good stir to get some of that oil spread around. I've just got them in olive oil because it is so good for you. A bit of salt. And so since they're still rock hard, I'm going to turn this down a little bit, and we're just going to let them cook for a bit. I love that. Those are the best potatoes I have ever grown. I did get a few last year, but they were like that first one that I pulled out. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, so we're trying the selfie stick now, and since I can't see what I'm looking at, I mean, I could, if I hooked up my phone to my camera, I could be watching over here and seeing my phone, and anyway, I'm just thinking that we're at a good angle. I don't know, we'll find out. I know I got some of my angles weird and wrong earlier in the video, so this little GoPro is going to take some getting used to, but I'll get there. Eventually, it'll be fine. Until then, we may get some wonky videos here and there, but anyway, I was so disappointed that my battery died just as I was going and actually picking those potatoes because my reaction was, well, you know how I react to things. I get excited. Anyway, I'm sorry to have missed that, but the next time I pick potatoes, I'll definitely make sure I record it for you. Thank you so much for popping in today and hanging out with me in the garden. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for putting up with my lousy camera angles with this new GoPro camera. And thanks for sticking with me while I figure this out. I hope you're having yourself a fantastic day. I hope it continues to get better. And I hope you take care of yourself. Bye now.